So let me build up my special. Just block. Hold on, okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, stop.
Sorry.
Okay, now block. Everybody get near me. Everybody get right next to me. Okay.
Hey,
don't stop pushing.
Hey,
okay, stop pushing. You need to be a distance. You should push me. Okay, everybody stand still. Okay, go ahead. It's so awesome. Okay, we'll just... Don't do that. I'm trying to build my special. I'm gonna blow you up. You have to match it. I'll beat you up too.
Okay, you have it.
Okay, hold on. Let me hit you guys. Get away from me now. I'm gonna put your health down enough to where it'll take a single explosion to kill you all at once. Hold on, let me do long special here.
Okay.
Oh, whoops, someone paid attention to your health. Okay, I guess that's what I did. I didn't even press my
stick it
special.
up there, big. Oh, come on, bring it against. Oh.
You should be. Okay, I need to hit you like once. Okay, and now everybody get near me. Come through me.
You don't have it.
Oh no. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Dude, that was awesome.
Dude, he broke the barrier.
That was awesome. Okay, let me do it again. Come towards me. Oh, throw shit at me. You know what? Throw it. Okay, I'm out. Fucker. Oh wait, wrong person. Stop moving. What are you doing?
Fucking you up.
Hey, I got a one too. I still have any that I can work out. Oh.
Hey, I was having fun. Okay.
Guys, stop. These are... No, wait. Yeah, stop going in circles. Would you come here? Walk towards me.
What?
I'm trying. The camera won't let me. There. I have ADD.
I thought freaking... What's his name at ADD? What are you doing?
Oh, right.
Hold on, let me get your chicken out. Your turn.
How long is it gonna take before he gets annoyed at me?
You're like going...
ADD.
Stop! Boom! No, do that. When you're going around me, have him set it off, and I'll be like, stop it! Have like 2 people going around me, and I'll do it.
I don't know how to do it.
It's L or R. It's L or R. Just hit one of the buttons.
Actually, it's B.
For you guys, she has the GameCube.
Oh, right.
Let me hit you once, soccer.
And then beat the out of Super Mario.
Yeah, I have to hit you now. Don't substitute. Don't come near us, soccer. Just stay away from right now. You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Just like 2 more.
Okay, there we go. Okay, Broccoli. Okay, soccer, you have to be going around me too. Okay, get in the center there. What? Oh, yeah, I was gonna let it go. Stop it! That was great. Fuckers! You need to be coming towards me, hello? Stop special! It's trying to hit me, Jesus. God. Stop it. I beat your face in. Trying to keep up. What the hell?
I don't know. I wanted to come over here so you could beat me up.
Okay.
Hey, guess what? Hey, Itachi.
Who's not there? Okay, your turn, Rocker. Stop! God, I've been using this every turn. Even this one.
Ow, I got raped.
But it
Felt good.
Okay,
Oh, sorry. I wasn't paying attention.
Hey, Sakura, come here.
okay.
Stop hitting the button. Shikamaru, get away. You're gonna get hit. See, you just did.
If I could switch targets, you wouldn't be. I'd primary lotus you in the face.
Okay,
Yeah, you got
okay,
me
okay.
punching.
Okay. Get over here, guys. Get over here.
All three of us.
Yeah, but one of you guys has to try to hit me.
I know.
Try to win me.
Okay.
No, you get to stop.
What?
Go around in circles if you're moving forward. Stop doing that! I'm plugged to corners.